Hello students, let's have a look over the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction students. Okay, so mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction student. So dear students, if you talk about the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction, here we are taking that is firstly the reaction we are writing student. Here we are treating with the CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. So that is what is student. This is the this is chloropropane student. And if you are treating with the anhydrous AlCl3 student. So what the compound you are going to get here is, here hydrogen is there student. So if you are treating this dear students, so what will happen, here is hydrogen and here is chlorine is getting out. So the firstly it is minus HCl is happening, and second case what is happening dear students, here you can see. So this is the bond are there, this is the CH2, here is CH2, and this is the CH3. So this is the very minor product student, minor. Okay, so negligible amount is forming this one, but what is the major product dear students? So major product if you talk about, that is CH, and here is CH3 student, here is CH3. This is what is known as student isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene, and this is somewhat 99% students, and this is the 1%. Okay, now this reaction if you talk about students, we need to understand mechanism. Okay, so how can you be able to understand the mechanism? So dear student, when you are talking about the mechanism, step number one is the formation of electrophile student, formation of electrophile. So dear student, how can you be able to form the electrophile? Here we are having that is CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2, and this is Cl. Okay, here we are having what student? Here we are having AlCl3. So this is positive and this is negative, right student? So here we are talking about, this is going to be heterolytic fission. So if it is going to heterolytic fission student, this is going to form that is CH. Here we are mentioning that is H, and here is CH2, positive charge is there, plus what is happening student, AlCl4 negative is being formed. Now here this is 1 degree carbocation student, this is the 1 degree carbocation, and we know student that is 2 degree carbocation is more stable than the 1 degree. So for that what is happening student, there is the hydride shift. Dear students, here is the hydride shift. So if you are doing hydride shift dear students, so how the compound you are going to get here dear students, you can see here is the intermediate is CH3, here is CH positive, and here is CH3 student. This is what something student, electrophile, right? This is electrophile. Now step number 2 student, you go and check with the step number 2. Step number 2 is what student, attack of electrophile. This is attack of electrophile. This is whatever the next step. This is attack of electrophile. Where it is going to attack? On benzene ring student, on benzene ring. So if it is attacking on the benzene ring, how it will be going to attack here student? Here is this is the compound student, and here is electrophile is there, 2 degree carbocation is there, CH, here is CH3 student, this is the positive charge. How it is going to attack this electron density, will attract the positive charge, and what the compound you are going to get this student, here this is the CH, this is CH3, here is CH3. Since you can check out student, this both the electron is involving in the bond formation, so here is the taking place positive charge, and this is becoming that is carbocation, right student? At the same time in this carbocation there is hydrogen is also there students. Now step number 3 if you talk about student, step number 3 is what student, this is the removal of proton. This is what student, removal of proton. Dear student, how can you be able to remove the proton? You see here the intermediate is what something like that, here is the hydrogen is there, and this case here is CH, this is CH3, and here is CH3, and if you talk about here is what is there student, that is AlCl4 negative. So this negative, this is going to attack on this position, and this will be going to shift here. So dear student, let us have a look over the product, what the product you are going to get student. This is CH, and here is CH3 and this is the CH3. So this is the isopropyl benzene. And what other product are there, student? Other product is what? AlCl3 and as a catalyst and plus HCl. So major, this is our required answers. So dear student, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like, comments and subscribe. Students, don't forget to comment, students. Thank you so much for watching, friends.